The European Commission had set itself the goal of reducing the regulatory burden linked to sustainability and increasing the competitiveness of European companies. Its first Omnibus package includes significant proposed amendments to several directives and regulations. Amendments include limiting the CSRD's corporate sustainability disclosure requirements to companies with more than 1,000 employees and postponing the first application by 2 years for those companies that are initially required to comply. Due diligence obligations would be limited to direct business partners, and detailed assessments would be conducted once every 5 years instead of annually. In addition, the application of the new requirements for companies with more than 5,000 employees and 1.5 billion in revenue would be delayed by 1 year until July 2028. Likewise, taxonomy-related disclosure obligations would be limited to companies subject to CSDDD, the Do Not Significant Harm criteria would be simplified, and the green asset ratio, known as GAR, would be adjusted for financial institutions. The carbon border adjustment mechanism would no longer be mandatory for small importers, and a cumulative threshold for 50 tons per importer would be introduced. Finally, InvestEU would be expanded by 2.5 billion euros, mobilizing 50 billion in investments and optimizing previous funds such as EFSI. This would facilitate access for funding for strategic sectors, especially SMEs, innovation and sustainability, with less paperwork and more flexibility. These and other aspects the institutions will have to comply with are summarized in this technical note.